Hello viewers, today we dive into the world of very beautiful creative bottle recycle ideas. These are very beautiful and popular design in bottle industry. So don't throw away your trash bottles and recycle it and make your planet cool and happy. So these are very beautiful and interesting designs and you can recreate this season your bottles turned into this type of pieces. Make your centerpiece, make your beautiful corner piece, make your bottle, make your trash into treasure. So hope you like these ideas and designs. So have a very nice and beautiful journey. We give you a very beautiful and interesting designs. We try to bring best ideas and best designs for you. So let's have a look. Stay tuned with us. Comment, write your comment in the comment section, and we give you best ideas and best designs for you. Stay blessed. Watch till the end. Ordinary piece into turn into extraordinary. Those simple bottles into beautiful home decor pieces using just jute, rope, and a little imagination. It's eco-friendly, low cost, and honestly super fun. So let's get started on this eco-friendly, crafty journey together. Before we decorate, we need to prepare. Take your empty bottles, any sizes, any shape. Wash them thoroughly with soap and water. If labels are sticking hard, soak the bottles in warm water with a little baking soda for 10 minutes. So we give you advice about bottle snowman. Paint the bottle white, add black dots for buttons, a small orange cone for the nose, and draw a little smiley face. Wrap a piece of fabric or ribbon as a craft scarf. Top with a small cap and Santa hat. So now bottle. Wrap the bottle with red felt or paint it red. Add a black belt using ribbon or tape with a gold buckles. Decorate the top with cotton or white fur trim. So it is a tips for making bottles. Spray paint bottles in gold, silver, red or green. Apply glue and sprinkle glitter for a shiny effect, and bows, lace or tiny bells around the neck. Paint the bottle green or wrap it with green jute rope. Decorate with beads, mini ornaments or stars. Place golden stars on top. Inside battery operated fairy lights inside transparent bottles. Paint stars or snowflakes or X messages outside with glass paint. Perfect for glowing corners or table centerpiece. Paint the bottle brown. Use googly eyes or red bead for Rudolph's nose. Make antlers with cardboard or twigs and stick them on a cap. Decorate 3-4 bottles with jute and Xmas ribbons. Place them together in a tray with pine cones, ornaments, and insert some fairy lights and pine cones and candles. Use them as table or mental decor. So you can combine these ideas into a Xmas DIY video series, for example, snowman Santa bottles, glitter and fairy lights bottles, indeed, and centerpiece. So these designs are very inspirational obviously for you. So get best ideas from this video. So these designs you can get beautiful ideas. Frosted snow bottles, spray the bottles with white frosted paint, spray paint, add silver glitter snowflakes, tie a blue ribbon around the neck for a snowy winter. Paint a bottle dark blue or black. Add golden stars with paint or stickers. Place a tiny nativity figurine or silhouette inside a cutout window and the bottle. Paint the bottle white. Wrap red ribbon or tape diagonally to look like candy can strips. Fill with real candy cans and use as a festive tear jar. Angel bottle craft. Now we talk about angel bottle craft. Wrap the bottles in white cloth or paint it white. Use lace for wings. Add a golden halo made of wire, perfect as a Xmas table angel. Take 24 mini bottles, paint or decorate them with numbers 1 to 24. Bottle adventure calendar I'm talking about. Fill each with small threads or notes. Open one bottle each day until Xmas. So now bottle snow globe. Fill a transparent bottle with water, glitter, and tiny Xmas figurine like trees or snowmen. Seal tightly, shake to make your own snow globe effects. Paint the bottle in pastel colors, add windows, doors, and snowy rooftops. Arrange several bottles together to create a village street centerpiece. Paint the bottles navy blue or black. Use a drill or heated pin to make tiny holes. Place fairy lights inside. Look like a glowing starry sky. Glowing Santa sleigh bottles. Use 3 4 bottles painted red and gold. Line them up like a reminder pulling Santa sleigh and fairy lights for glow. These ideas will make your bottles very extraordinary. Bottles Xmas tree stand. Stick bottles in a pyramid shape like a tree. Wrap them in a green fabric or paint. Add ornaments and lights. DIY bottle Xmas tree. Now bottle candle holder we're talking about. Cut the bottle or use long neck bottles. Paint them in red, white or gold. Place taper candles inside for a warm festive glow. So what do you think about these ideas? So one more tips. Xmas messages bottles. Now we talk about Xmas messages bottles. You know what is Xmas messages bottle? Talk about it. Hello. So we tell you about this. Write Xmas wishes on small rolled paper. Place them inside transparent bottles with glitter or tiny ornaments. Give them as a thoughtful handmade gifts. So what about this? And how feel you about these ideas? And we will try the best ideas for you. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed, keep shining like a star, keep smiling.